how to recover Valorant account in 2024. If you would like to recover your Valorant account in 2024, it is actually quite very simple to do so because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to basically open up your browser. Then you can go to account.riotgames.com because your Valorant account comes from your Riot Games account. So you can go to account.riotgames.com and then you'll land on this page which you can see right here. Now, normally it will ask us to sign into our Riot Games, which is also our Valorant account. But since we are trying to reset or recover our password, we want to simply go to the option at the bottom that says Can't Sign In. So when you go to the Can't Sign In option, there are many reasons. So what are the reasons that you can't access it? You want to simply select whether you haven't played in a while and your account is maybe restricted, maybe you forgot your username, or maybe you forgot your password, or maybe you played on mobile, right? I'll just select forgot password for now. Now, all you have to do here is to simply enter the username that you use to basically sign up your Valorant account with and just hit this arrow button right here. Or if you forgot your username also, then you can click on forgot username. Otherwise, you can also simply choose to enter your email address or other usernames. After you've done that, it will send a verification link to your email where you have to simply go ahead and then log in. And once you verify the link, you'll be able to actually reset your password to a new one without having to remember the old password. And this way, you should be able to recover Valorant's account in 2024. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.